Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be learning how to change alarm sound on iPhone. So for that particular reason, you can see we have this clock app and it could be utilized to adjust your alarms, your time, and you can see we have some other options as well in here. So you can see we have world clock, alarms, stopwatch and timer. We are going to be using alarm for this one. Click on this plus icon, and once you do, you can see it is asking us for the time, and if you want to repeat it, a label, and finally we have the option that we need sound, and that's where you're going to be changing the ringtones of your alarm. You can choose among this list, and you can see you have a wide range of options in here. You can also pick a song if you have in your library, and yeah, so that's a pretty simple process on how you can change alarm sound on an iPhone. I really hope you understood the concept and liked the video. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching and see you around in the next video.